How to fix iPhone stuck on logo problem. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix iPhone stuck on logo. So if you're getting this screen right here where your iPhone is stuck on your logo and you don't know what to do, this is what you do. So the first step is you will need to charge your iPhone. So make sure that you just plug in your charger, and after you plug in your charger, all you have to then do is just wait for a few hours or a few minutes. So yeah, just leave it till your just leave your iPhone as it is, and after you leave it for a bit, just try to turn it on, and if it does turn on, your problem is fixed. So if that does not work, you will have to force restart your iPhone. To force restart your iPhone, you need to first press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, and after you do that, press and hold the side button, and when the Apple logo appears again, release the side button. After you release the side button, your iPhone will force restart and your home screen should just pop up. So yeah, and that's how you fix your issue guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to like the video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.